Welcome to NS Astrology Institute. Vedic Astrology, KP Astrology, Bhrigu Nandi Nadi Astrology, Numerology and Vastu Astrology. In this Predictive Astrology Part 10 video, let's learn about children. Who will have children and who will not? This analysis will be based on the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi method. I explained the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi method in Part 6 video. That link has been given in the description. If you watch this video, you will get a very clear idea about the Bhrigu Nandi Nadi method. When it comes to children, the first thing to know is which planets are responsible for children. Jupiter in the 5th house indicates progeny. Moon represents ovaries and womb, Venus represents semen, ovaries and private parts, Mars represents monthly eggs. These planets and these combinations should not be weak and should not be associated with the 1st, 4th, 10th and 6th, 8th, 12th houses. These houses are negative for children. If there is an association with at least 3 of these houses, then there will be no children in life. If these planets and these combinations are strong and are under the influence of 1, 5, 9 houses, then there will definitely be children. Also, if they are under the influence of 2, 7, 11 houses, it is even better. Here, for example, a horoscope has been taken, which is the female horoscope. She is currently 52 years old. She has no children yet. In the zodiac sign taken here, for example, the ascendant is Gemini. The 8th house of this ascendant is Capricorn, with Jupiter and Venus. There are no planets in the 5th house from Jupiter and Venus, which is Taurus. Similarly, the 9th house of Virgo is occupied by the Moon. This means that these 3 planets form a combination in the 1st, 5th, and 9th direction. According to the ascendant, Jupiter and Venus are in the 8th house of Capricorn sign at Shravana Nakshatra of Moon. Also, the Moon is in the 4th house of Virgo sign at Mars star. Jupiter is the lord of the 10th house and Venus is the lord of the 12th house. Therefore, these 3 planets have got significations with 1, 4 and 10, 12 houses each other, which are negative for progeny. The planets in combination 1, 5, 9 should be given first importance. Venus and Moon are responsible for the ovaries and Jupiter for children. These 3 planets are weak. Also, these planets are in negative positions according to the ascendant. In this horoscope, Jupiter, Venus and Moon are weak. Therefore, she has no children. You should examine the horoscopes of those who are childless. Only these 3 planets are weak in the horoscopes of those who are childless. If you like this video, you can click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.